In Islamic dream interpretation, seeing oneself in a windstorm with open hair can have various meanings depending on the context and emotions associated with the dream. Here are some possible interpretations. Challenges and trials. Windstorms in dreams often symbolize challenges, trials, or turbulent times in one's life. The presence of a windstorm may indicate that you are or will be facing difficulties and need to prepare yourself for upcoming challenges. Change and transformation. Wind can also represent change and transformation. A windstorm might suggest that significant changes are occurring or will occur in your life, which may bring about personal growth or a shift in circumstances. Vulnerability and exposure. In many cultures, including Islamic tradition, hair is often associated with one's personal dignity and privacy. Having open hair in a dream, especially in a storm, could symbolize feelings of vulnerability or exposure. It may indicate that you are feeling unprotected or exposed to the challenges ahead. Freedom and release. Alternatively, open hair can also represent freedom and release from restrictions. In the context of a windstorm, this could suggest that the challenges you face might ultimately lead to a sense of liberation or relief from certain constraints. Combined interpretation. When combining the two symbols, seeing yourself standing in a windstorm with open hair could suggest that you are currently or will soon be facing a period of significant change or turmoil in your life. This period might make you feel vulnerable and exposed, but it could also bring about a sense of freedom and transformation. It is a reminder to stay strong and resilient, trusting that the challenges you face will lead to growth and potentially positive outcomes. Interpretation in accordance with the phases of the moon holds that dreams witnessed during specific lunar dates 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 19, 22, 27, 30 possess a higher degree of meaningfulness and accuracy. Dreams occurring on these dates are believed to hold true and significant messages. Dreams experienced during other lunar dates 3, 5, 11, 12, 17 are thought to manifest later in one's life, with both positive and negative outcomes. Additionally, dreams seen prior to sunrise tend to materialize within a span of 10 days. Dreams observed between 2 to 3 a.m. are presumed to unfold within a period of 5 to 10 years. In this perspective, dreams are considered divine interpretations of a person's future, bestowed by God. Please subscribe for more interesting dream interpretations.